Hi everyone, I'm Emma Fargher and I'm the coordinator of the UK Parkinson's Disease Clinical Studies Group, or CSG. And I'm just going to provide an overview of who we are and what we do. So, a few years ago, we realised that although there are some really great researchers in the UK, they often work independently within their university or their hospital, which creates these pockets of research activity that meant for people with Parkinson's wanting to take part in clinical research, the opportunities available were often dependent on where you lived. And this becomes even more clear when we look back over the last decade. We can see that the number of studies and the people taking part in these studies has almost doubled, but where these participants are being recruited from across the country has not increased by that much, which highlights the need to further support new locations to deliver Parkinson's research across the UK. And so we developed the UK Parkinson's Disease Clinical Studies Group, which is a national group bringing together people who are passionate and enthusiastic about Parkinson's research. Our main goal is to further develop and support Parkinson's clinical research across the UK to make sure that more people with Parkinson's have the opportunity to participate in clinical trials. The group is chaired by Professor Oliver Banman, with Professors Carroll and Faltini as deputy chairs, and I am the coordinator of the group. And we're really grateful to Cure Parkinson's for funding the group and for making everything that we do possible. So the CSG was launched in April 2022 with just 10 members, and we really made it our goal to increase our membership and ensure that we had members representing as much of the UK as possible. And as of now, we currently have 111 members from all across the UK, and we're currently focusing on welcoming more members from the devolved nations, particularly from Wales and Northern Ireland. And we've also increased the diversity of the members that we have within our group. So we're no longer just a group of neurologists, but we have over 100 members from a variety of different backgrounds, including nurses, other healthcare professionals, as well as representatives from charities and from industry. And we can really see the positive impact that this has had on our group, with an increase in the perspectives of our members, resulting in even more varied and valuable discussions at the regular meetings that we hold. We also have our wonderful PPI members, Keith, Pam, Richard, Chris, and Kathy, who make up our small PPI group, and they're able to provide their thoughts and feedback about the topics and studies that are being discussed in our meetings or on other studies that are supported through the CSG, either in those meetings themselves or during our debrief sessions, which take place just before and after the main meetings. And they also contribute to specific PPI meetings with researchers on like a one-on-one basis, where they provide their expert advice on grant applications and study ideas before they go for assessment for funding. So the main way in which the CSG supports Parkinson's research is through our regular meetings, where researchers come and present their studies to the group. And these studies might be at their really early planning stages, or they might be clinical trials that are already open, but where researchers are looking for more participants or to add new sites to their study so that more people are able to take part in that research. So the main activities of our group are based around sharing best practice, which primarily happens during our regular meetings, but also in smaller, less formal meetings that take place between our members. We also facilitate collaborations amongst researchers from across the UK, and have more recently started working closer with industry and other CSG groups from different countries such as the US and Sweden. We're also active on social media, where we share information about Parkinson's studies, and we host a website that's relevant to researchers and also to patients and the public. So you can visit our website and find out more about the studies that we support through the CSG and how you might be able to get involved in them. And we do also provide support in other ways by using our network to support other studies, and we've recently introduced a regular newsletter where CSG members can find out more about how they can support specific studies that are taking place across the country. So thank you for listening. Please do engage with us on social media or visit our website to find out more. You can also contact me, and my email address is on the screen right now. Thank you very much.